Tomodachi Life is often understood from a scientific perspective not merely as an entertainment game, but as an interesting model for social and psychological processes. Although there is little direct academic research specifically focused on this game, its effects can be well explained through various fields of study. In media psychology, the concept of social presence is particularly relevant. It describes the ability of digital characters to create the feeling of being socially present. What is surprising is that even very simple, stylized characters like Mii's are enough to trigger emotional responses. The human brain automatically fills in missing information and reacts to these figures as if they had real intentions or feelings. In cognitive science, the concept of anthropomorphism plays a central role, meaning the tendency to attribute human characteristics to non-human objects. Games like Tomodachi Life indirectly make use of this effect by giving characters minimal but socially interpretable behavior. Paradoxically, their limited artificiality can make them feel more human, because they appear incomplete and unpredictable. From a sociological perspective, the game can be understood as a miniature society in which social structures emerge without real-world institutions. Relationships, conflicts, and group formations develop dynamically from simple rules. This creates a model of social order that demonstrates how societies self-organize without central control. Interestingly, patterns such as friendship, exclusion, and closeness emerge spontaneously from the system itself. From a psychoanalytic point of view, the game is sometimes interpreted as a projection space. Players transfer their own desires, conflicts, or ideas about relationships onto the Mii's. In this way, the game becomes a space where social scenarios can be safely explored without real-world consequences, functioning as a mirror of internal social expectations. Game studies approaches also describe the game as an example of controlled autonomy. The player has influence over the world, but cannot fully determine what the characters will do. This combination of control and unpredictability generates so-called emergent narratives, situations that are not pre-scripted, but arise from the interaction of game systems. This unpredictability is a central part of the game's appeal. Finally, from a behavioral science perspective, the game can be seen as a simplified simulation of social decision-making. Players respond to needs, conflicts, and relationships, where emotional intuition often matters more than strategic reasoning. Overall, Tomodachi Life demonstrates a combination of several scientific effects: social perception, projection, emergent systems, and simplified models of society.